Happy Tuesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki for our Tuesday night. Another night with winter weather advisories in effect into our Wednesday morning. Now, I don't expect a lot of accumulation with this. What I'm watching for, though, well, it's a warm front that'll be lifting into the region here overnight into the early morning hours of our Wednesday. And as it arrives, temperatures are still going to be slightly below the freezing mark. This is going to allow for a little mixed bag of precipitation. This is a look at temperatures on our Tuesday evening. We will tap into this warmer air into the second half of our Wednesday. It's kind of going to feel like a different season, but as that precipitation arrives, we're going to be watching just how much of it can reach the ground where temps are still below freezing. There's dry air that has to be overcome. Currently, this is a look at relative humidity on our Tuesday evening. And what this is showing you is that the air overhead is pretty dry. We're only sitting at roughly around 25% saturated, meaning there's still about 75% more water or moisture that this atmosphere could hold. So that will chew away at a lot of the precipitation. I want you to remember that when you see Futurecast and how this is going to look here. It's going to look a little more ominous than how I'm expecting it to be in the morning. But as we go through the night, clouds increase, and then you see coming up on daybreak, we have this swath of wintry precipitation moving in. Now, some of this may struggle to reach the ground at first, but as we go through the morning and get closer to sunrise, I do expect at least a little bit of precipitation reaching the ground in the form of some snow, some pockets of sleet, and also the chance for a little freezing rain or drizzle. Now, that will freeze on contact and could allow for some slippery spots. Our sun today, well, that's going to try and help keep those surfaces, the temperatures a little more elevated, but still, I can't rule out some slippery spots, especially when you step out the door onto, say, a wooden patio or sidewalks and driveways and parking lots, and bridges and overpasses, even untreated roads could be a little slick, especially the ones that are more shielded from sun. Now, going through the morning, we stop here at about 8:45, and what you see, all locations showing temperatures above 32. So this is really going to be an early morning setup, and most of the precipitation will be very light, but there's a small window for some slick spots to develop. Now, through the rest of the day, temperatures are going to climb substantially. By noon, we're already nearing 50 degrees, and we'll see those showers tapering second half of the day. Feels like a completely different season. We jump well into the 60s. I expect a warm southerly breeze. Winds will pick up, and then Wednesday night stays quite mild. Any holes in the clouds start to fill back in as we start looking for the chance for more showers into Thursday morning. Thursday's not going to be a complete washout, but I do expect to see some bouts of showers through the day and a chance even for a few thunderstorms as a cold front sweeps through into our Thursday afternoon. Now, this will come with a risk for some afternoon showers and a chance for some rumbles of thunder. Behind this cold front, temperatures start heading back in the other direction. So by Thursday night, we're back to those more colder, we'll call them, temperatures. And for Friday, it's not going to be as warm. We'll return to our chances at seeing some snowflakes around the valley. Winds on Wednesday, they start to pick up, especially in the afternoon once the sun breaks through some of those clouds. We're talking gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour, but Wednesday night, I do expect winds to increase a little bit more, where gusts could be upwards of about perhaps 40 to 50 miles per hour at times into our Thursday as we wait for that cold front to come through. So icy spots are going to be a little elevated on our hassle factors list. We'll leave the rain, the wind, and the cold up there, even though it's not as cold, still cold enough for some wintry precipitation. A light glaze possible here into daybreak on our Wednesday. So during that early morning commute, there could be some slippery spots. And then as we come up on about mid to late morning, we jump above 32 degrees. We end that chance for wintry precip, and then we head to spring for the afternoon. About 65 degrees for the high and a breezy one for us. We will be windy on Thursday. It's not going to rain all day start to finish, but I do expect occasional showers, the chance for thunderstorms, and upper 60s for the highs. Then Friday, well, much colder again. We're only going to get to near 40 degrees. I do expect showers mixing with snowflakes throughout a large part of the day. Blustery wind too. Now the weekend starts off decent. Saturday, partly sunny around 50 degrees. There's a chance for a few showers around on Sunday. It doesn't look like a washout as of now. And we'll hold temps around 50 next Monday with some isolated showers, and then mid 50s by next Tuesday.